Did you know that not all snakes are terrifyingly large? Some are small, cute, and perfect for a pet? Yes, you heard it right. The world of pet snakes is surprisingly diverse, with many species staying small throughout their lives. These petite serpents, typically measuring under 5 feet, make for fascinating pets, offering a unique blend of longevity, ease of care, and charisma. They're not just manageable in size, but also rich in personality. Now that you know snakes can be small and cute, get ready to meet some of them. First on our list is the rosy boa, a snake that's as pretty as its name suggests. This gentle serpent, hailing from the southwestern United States and Mexico, typically grows to about 2 to 3 feet in length. Their pet friendliness is a big draw, along with their simple diet of small rodents. However, potential owners should note that rosy boas are known for their strong escape instincts, so a secure enclosure is a must. Next up is the corn snake, a favorite among snake enthusiasts. These fascinating creatures typically grow up to 4 to 5.5 feet in length. Originating from the southeastern United States, they are known for their docility and ease of care. Corn snakes are also pretty low maintenance when it comes to feeding, usually eating once every 7 to 10 days. However, keep in mind they are nocturnal, which could affect your interaction time. Isn't the corn snake interesting? But wait, there's more. Moving on, we have 2 unique snakes, the milk snake and the western hognose. The milk snake, a vibrant reptile hailing from North America, typically grows to about 3 feet. They're known for their docile nature and low maintenance, making them a great choice for first-time snake owners. However, their mimicry of the venomous coral snake's coloration might be a bit unsettling for some. Switching gears, let's talk about the western hognose. This snake, with its distinctive upturned snout, is native to the central United States. At a modest length of about 2 feet, it's a manageable pet that's also quite friendly. It's a hearty eater too, primarily dining on amphibians and rodents. But bear in mind the western hognose can be a bit of a drama queen, often playing dead when it feels threatened. These 2 snakes definitely add variety to the world of small pet snakes. If you're loving this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating snake facts. Now, let's explore the exotic world of the Kenyan Sand Boa and the children's python. Hailing from East Africa, the Kenyan Sand Boa is a small, robust snake, typically reaching lengths of around 2 feet. These snakes are known for their docile nature, making them excellent pets for beginners. They are primarily nocturnal, eating small rodents, and are known to burrow in the sand. However, their burrowing habit might require a bit more attention to their habitat setup. On to the children's python, a snake native to Australia. Despite its name, this snake isn't just for kids. It's a small, easy-to-handle snake that typically grows up to 3 feet long. These pythons are non-venomous and have a calm disposition. They feed on small mammals and birds, but be prepared. They do require a bit more care and feeding than other small snakes. These snakes might be small, but they're full of surprises. Finally, let's meet the smallest pet snake you can own, the Bimini blind snake. This tiny serpent, often mistaken for a worm, hails from the tropical paradise of the Bimini Islands in the Bahamas. Measuring just a few inches in length, it's the perfect pocket-sized pet for the snake enthusiast with limited space. But don't let its size fool you. The Bimini blind snake is a resilient creature, adaptable to a variety of environments. It's a low-maintenance pet that primarily feeds on ants and termites, making it an eco-friendly choice for those looking to control pests. However, there are a few downsides to owning this petite pet. Its small size makes it easy to lose, and it requires a specialized habitat to mimic its tropical home. Also, being a nocturnal creature, it may not be the most interactive pet during your waking hours. Who knew that the smallest snake could be so fascinating? Well, there you have it, 7 small snakes that make great pets. From the charming rosy boa to the corn snake, popular with beginners. We've seen the vibrant milk snakes, the unique western hognose, and the fascinating Kenyan sand boa. Not to forget the children's python and the tiny Bimini blind snake. Each has its own personality, feeding habits, and unique origins. So when you're ready to welcome a pint-sized slithering friend into your home, you'll know where to start. Remember, size doesn't always matter, especially when it comes to picking the perfect pet snake.